Hi, I'm Zachary Levi, and you're watching Live Minute TV.
I'm Austin, but you can call me Ozman. Welcome back, everybody! I have a lizard named Molly and a killer hat collection. Oh yeah, I'm also autistic. It's the best day of my life!
After 30 years, I haven't messed up a single job.
With the arthritis you had, you can expect an occasional flare-up.
I really need to get back to work.
What do you do?
Made a terrible mess. Didn't even get the guy.
We can avoid these problems.
We're going younger across the board.
We made a play, and we lost. Dolinski still has gas in the tank.
For the longest time, there was nothing. But then it appeared. A beast not from this earth, smiting the ones who deserved it, the ones who didn't. And everyone in between.